Hey guys, Ben with IncomeOptionsTrading here today on December 30th, second to last day of 2024. First day also of trading the new account. Did well today, up 700 bucks. Did also buy some T-bills. I bought 25 of them. I had to do that on the web platform. I will have a video coming out probably tomorrow morning on how I went about calculating how many T-bills I wanted to purchase to help boost my returns, and that's without really affecting my trading, just because T-bills are margined at such a high rate, so it still uses the cash, but the options buying power is it only uses 6%, so it leaves you 94% in order to trade. So that will be dropping here probably tomorrow. If we look at the chart today, the S&P's really dropped off here this morning. They were down over 100 here mid-morning, and they rallied back and went sideways. Had a little bit of a drop off here at the end of the day, but like usual, the big down move, VIX was up, so I put on my normal Iron Condor, and even though the market moved pretty substantially from pretty much 5,900 when I entered down to 30 points lower, I really was break even for this whole chunk just because I was so far away. I was up at the 58.15 mark, so way down below. So that's one nice thing about opening right at market open is you have a lot wider of a spread, and if you get violent moves right away, you can get stepped up pretty quickly, but if it's more of a gradual, then you're safer. So actually on this rally, my call side came right back to where I entered it. I was actually down a little bit when it came up here around lunchtime, but that expired worthless, and then I did put on a short put spread here about 130 at the 59.05 mark, and the last little bit here, the last 6 minutes or so, went from around 59.30 all the way down to 59.06, so almost got stopped out. I contemplated closing this for like 20 cents back here, just because I mean with the moves today, I didn't want to get stopped out, but I left it, and around here it was like $1, so I could have closed it, but I decided to roll with it with like 15 seconds to go. Ended up well, so that expired worthless. And then I also sold an Iron Condor here at about 145, and these are my break even. So I had my short call at 59.35 and my short put at 59.25. I had set it an order to close it at 50%, and I closed it way early at this point. I was checking here, and it had just went above my 50% profit. So if I would have just left it, I would have got out here for what I initially wanted, but I didn't know how long the sideways action would continue, so I decided to close out of it. After these couple big red candles, I got out around here, so that was a small profit as well. So 700 bucks today on the first day of trading. I'll take that. I know there's only 2 days left. I started a little bit early, but was just itching to get started on this account. So we'll also go to my activity tab so you can see my orders for today, some of the details. I know a lot of people ask about the details, so there's that. I did record myself putting on the trades this morning. I did get a phone call, so I had to re-record that, but I'll play that here at the end of the video in case anyone wants to continue to watch to see how I set it up and what I look at. Other than that, tomorrow is New Year's Eve. I'm planning to do a full day of trading, but we'll see what the market brings. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, I was recording during the open, but got a phone call, so I wasn't able to keep that footage, but just a minute after I opened up the trade here, got my new trading account. On the put side, did a 50 wide. I did a 58.15. It was around 175 on that short put. It was like 180, 185. It's a little bit higher now on the put side, 50 wide and 59.70 with that option was around 125 when I first opened it. So first trade of this new account. We'll see how the day goes. The stop is going to be 5x what my credit was here. So on the put side, it'll be 750. I'll do a stop limit with the target or the trigger at 750, limit at 8. And then for the 130, 650. 650 and 7. We'll see how the day goes.